Mail Backup X. Perfect solution for backup Apple Mail. How to automatically backup Apple Mail on Mac OS X. Step-by-step guide on backing up Apple Mail. Data on your Mac with Mail Backup X. Step 1. Please download and install the Mail Backup X application on your Mac. Step 2. Once the installation is completed, launch Mail Backup X. Step 3. You may start the fully functional trial run for 15 days or activate it, or you may click My Backup Profiles on the left sidebar in Dashboard greater than and click Set up. Step 4. You may choose to set up a new backup profile from the dashboard by choosing option. Step 5. You will be presented options to set up back for a list of mail clients. Choose. Users using macOS Mojave and above might get an error, disk access denied. In order to fix this, please quit Mail Backup X from the top menu bar. Next. Step 6. Once you click and choose Apple Mail to set up a backup, you are presented with folder. Step 7. Now you are presented with advanced options like setting. Step 8. You can set the location of backup to local disk drive or cloud service by authenticating. Step 8. Apple Mail Backup Profile is set up and now your emails should have started. Stay backed up by the minute. Free premium support. Thanks for watching.